Want to earn rewards while having fun? Let's introduce you to Cash Ninja, a get-paid-to app that does exactly that. With Cash Ninja, you're rewarded for engaging in a variety of simple yet entertaining tasks. Whether you're answering surveys, playing games, or watching videos, you're always earning. And the best part? These points aren't just digital confetti. They're redeemable via PayPal or gift cards. Imagine having a blast while racking up points you can exchange for real-world rewards. That's Cash Ninja for you. So, how do you get started with Cash Ninja? Well, it's as easy as pie. First things first, you'll need to head to your device's app store. If you are an Apple aficionado, that means the App Store for you. Android users, you're looking at the Google Play Store. Once you're there, simply search for Cash Ninja. It should pop right up. And the best part, it's completely free to download and use. No hidden charges, no sneaky fees, just pure, unadulterated earning potential. Click on the Install button and give it a moment. Your device will do all the heavy lifting. After the app is installed, open it up. You'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface that's as intuitive as it is attractive. Once you've got the app installed on your device, you're ready to start earning. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Cash Ninja and let the rewards start rolling in. Now that you've got Cash Ninja on your device, how do you navigate it? Well, let's dive right in. Upon opening the app, your eyes are graced with a clean, user-friendly interface. You'll see a dashboard displaying your current point balance, a real-time tracker of your earnings. Looking for tasks? They're right at your fingertips. You'll find a variety of options to choose from. Whether it's answering surveys, playing games, or watching videos, Cash Ninja has got you covered. Simply tap on the task icon, and you're on your way to earning more points. Now let's talk about the points. They are the heart of Cash Ninja. Each task you complete rewards you with points. The more you engage, the more you earn. Your earned points are displayed in real time on your dashboard, giving you a clear view of your progress. With a user-friendly interface, earning points on Cash Ninja is as easy as pie. You've played, you've answered, you've watched, now what? It's time to redeem those hard-earned points. So how exactly do you go about this? Well, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, navigate to the Rewards tab on your Cash Ninja app. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll see your accumulated points and the variety of rewards you can claim. Now let's talk about what these points can get you. You've got two exciting options: PayPal Cash or gift cards. If you're a fan of cold hard cash, you can convert your points directly into PayPal money. On the other hand, if you're a shopaholic, you can swap your points for gift cards from your favorite brands. Finally, to redeem, simply select your preferred reward and confirm your choice. Voila, your points are now real rewards. So, go ahead, treat yourself. You've earned it. And just like that, your fun time has turned into real rewards. Impressed by what Cash Ninja has to offer? Don't let this opportunity slip away. Get your hands on Cash Ninja now and start earning. It's as easy as pie, really. Watch videos, play games, answer surveys, and bam, rewards are in your pocket. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, chances are your friends will too. So give that like button a tap, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Let's make earning rewards fun with Cash Ninja.